So we have 12 hours in Helsinki before our flight home to London Stansted. We got the train last night from Rovaniemi to Helsinki, so we're going to spend some time exploring the city. Apparently there's a cool island fortress we can go and see for a few hours. Then we're going to come back and look around the Christmas market. To Suomenlinna Island, which is the fortress just off the coast of Helsinki. And how cold are you, Karina? It's not too bad today, is it?
No, it's actually really quite mild today. I think actually at the moment it's maybe around 0-ish, but it's supposed to get up to 2 degrees today, so it's positively tropical, frankly. But I think we're going to be freezing in a minute because this is obviously a ferry across to the island, so I think once we actually get going it's going to be pretty nippy. I'm sure Martin's already shown you some shots of the slushy that is the sea, because it can only be described as a slushy. It's literally just ice everywhere. So yeah, it's pretty cold indeed. But yeah, actually at the moment, compared to what we were in the other day when we arrived, it's not that bad at all. But yeah, we'll see how we go when we get going.
You alright, girls? Are you feeling Eden? Is it fun? Who's done a bit of research into this place, that it was in fact a fortress designed to protect Helsinki. I think it was active in the 17th and 18th century, but I think it was also used in World War II as a prisoner of war camp. So it's got quite a lot of history behind it, mostly military, but there's also a toy museum on there as well. So that's a bit interesting. We're going to have a look now, see what there is in the toy museum. So first impressions, it's very odd. We're kind of feel like walking around an industrial area, and with a random toy museum, it doesn't seem to be open. Maybe we're in the middle of a weird Tim Burton film. Karina, what do you think?
Kind of agree. I don't think it's industrial. I actually think it could be really lovely. I think that we've just come at a time when they're doing a lot of construction for whatever reason. I mean, who knows what they're doing, but there's a lot of building work going on.
It's very icy.
But I think if you were here in the summer, I think it could be gorgeous. In fact, we were just saying, if you came and you packed a picnic and you kind of had a bit of a mooch about in the summer's day, fab, amazing.
It's definitely killing an hour or two anyway.
Yeah,
but
I mean, it's interesting.
Heading back
trying
towards,
to sort of work it out.
Yeah, I think we're probably going to head back towards the Christmas market at some point. So it'd be quite nice around there. It'd be nice to have a proper look.
Yeah.
Get some kind of lunch dinner, I guess.
Yeah,
probably
good.
A bit more the ticket. So although you don't have to pay to get on the island, apart from the ferry cost, which is like €2.80, there's lots of individual museums within the island, on the island, and you have to pay a separate entrance fee to get into those. So we just had a look at the military museum. It's about €7 each per adult and €4 per child, and it's not that big. So we didn't do that. We don't really want to spend a lot of money today. It's our last day. We're going to go and check out another museum around the corner to see how much the entrance fee is for that. And I think we'll probably go back to the mainland once we've done it to have a look around the Christmas market, which looks really pretty, and get some dinner. We are leaving Suomenlinna Island. You just saw the Finnish army training behind us, which is quite hardcore. So it's a weird place. I imagine we didn't explore nearly half of it because we're a bit short on time, and I imagine the furthest part is a bit nicer.
I think we grossly underestimated how big it is actually. It's quite a big place. You could certainly spend the whole day here.
Yeah.
One of the things to bear in mind is there's lots of little kind of museums and lots of little exhibits and things dotted about across the whole fortress, but they seem to be sort of paid entry separately. So given that we didn't have to pay to get onto the island at all, it was literally just the ferry crossing, it's probably not that bad really, but I guess we just hadn't accounted for that at all really. So we actually didn't end up going in to do much. There was a military museum, and then there's a museum that's kind of dedicated solely to the island itself as a fortress, and then there was a whole bunch of other stuff. There's a toy museum which sadly was open. It wasn't open today. I think if you were here in the summer or the spring, then for sure pack a picnic, bring the whole family, spend the whole day, and I think you'd have a really great time. There's actually a park that's in the middle sort of square area that there's a big church. There's quite a lot to see here. I just don't think we necessarily came on the best day, and we didn't have a great amount of time to spend. So yeah, we didn't really see half of it at all. But we're going to head back now, and all of us wanted to do the Christmas market, which is literally right in the harbour where this docks. So it's perfect for us to go and explore. So we're going to go and do that, and then we'll grab a bite to eat before setting off to the airport. So yeah, it was good to get our step count up and good to kind of get a little bit of a feel for the place. But certainly we couldn't give an honest review because we haven't seen nearly half of it.
So that's the end of our Finland, Lapland travel vlogs. I hope you enjoyed them. We had an amazing time, and I just want to say a massive thank you to the people of Finland for being so welcoming, hospitable, and really, really friendly. Everyone we met was absolutely fantastic, and we had a great time. So girls, let me know your favourite things about the trip. So Ivy, you want to go first?
Yeah, so I really liked meeting Santa because he was like the real
It was
Santa.
the real Santa, wasn't it?
And I really liked doing sledging and doing huskies and meeting all the nice reindeer. They're really sweet, and there's like a load of things, I guess. And what else?
What did you think of the cold? Was it really super cold?
Oh, super duper cold. Like as soon as I dumped all my layers on me, as soon as I went outside, I was like, I'm still a little bit cold. And sometimes I was like really hot, and sometimes I was still cold.
It was difficult, isn't it? Because when we went to the nice warm log cabin, it was really warm, but we went outside, it was really, really cold.
Yeah, when we were there in the airport of Finland, we were like in and out all the time, and they want to keep inside, in all the insides, like nice and warm, but we had our coats on, and so we were like really hot, and so we just wanted to get outside, so we did. But my favourite things would probably be what Ivy said, the husky sledging. I liked sledging near the 0 point. That was really fun because it was like whoop.
Was that when you were going down in your sledge? On the
Yeah.
Yeah, that was really fun.
And what did you enjoy about the Huskies, Edie?
I enjoyed how like meeting them, and it was so like and one nearly weed up Daddy, which was really funny.
That was interesting, wasn't it? Thankfully he didn't know, did he?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I would just like to say to everyone he made the lovely hot berry juice. That it's a really nice hot berry juice.
I think that was a
Thank
winner,
you.
wasn't it? The
Yeah.
berry juice was amazing, wasn't it? That's one thing they ever there. It's like hot berry juice is what it is. It
Yeah.
was absolutely really, really nice and really warming.
Hot
wasn't
berry
it?
juice is the best.
If you don't like Ribena, then I don't recommend it for you.
Yeah.
But if you do, it's like hot Ribena. If you like that, then it'll be nice for you.
it's
Yeah,
really
it's
nice.
really nice.
Yeah, so
Especially
that's
that
it.
weather.
Yeah, really, really good, wasn't it? Really good. So that's it. The end of our time in Finland. We all had such a great time, and we really hope to go back one day, don't we? Maybe go back to 0 Point, do some more snowboarding, skiing.
I miss like just going, wake up, and get ready and go to 0 Point. Here we go.
It was lovely, wasn't it?
Yeah, I miss us doing that.
Cool. But we have more stuff on the horizon, don't we? Where are we
Yeah.
going next?
Mexico!
So we're off to Mexico very soon, and we're going to hopefully do a few vlogs while we're out there, maybe some of the tours. We're going to try and see Chichén Itzá, aren't we?
Yeah.
And some of the Mayan ruins, and maybe do some swimming with turtles and things, which should be really good fun. So make sure you like and subscribe to stay up to date with all of our travels and all of our fun things. We're going to go to the NEC camper van and caravan show soon to see what they've got to offer, see if there's any cool camper vans out, because I think we might like to get a bigger one soon, because you're getting a bit too big, aren't you? You can touch the top now, can't you, with your head?
Yeah,
If you
I
bang your
can.
head when you go
I'm
in it.
nearly there. I'm like, this is like the roof, and this is. I'm like one thin hand away.
I know. So that's it from us for now. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys again soon. Bye.